Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone S18 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93% screen to body ratio, approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 2800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX920 OIS main camera, along with 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle Samsung JN1 camera, and with 12 megapixel telephoto camera with ring LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.35 GHz single-core, Cortex-X3 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715, plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, paired with a Mortalis G715MC11 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot, and the S18 Pro supports up to 16 GB of virtual RAM expansion as well as 50 GB of storage compression. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.36 by 75.1 by 7.45 mm, and it weighs around 187.8 grams. The color options black, silver, blue colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo S18 Pro has been expected price in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 125,999 Pakistani rupees, and 3,199 Chinese yuan, and around $449 US, while the 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 138,999 Pakistani rupees, and 3,499 Chinese yuan, and around $494 US, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 146,999 Pakistani rupees, and 3,699 Chinese yuan, and around $522 US. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S18 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.